My name's Russ Unger. I'm with the Missouri Works Initiative. I teach a 5-week class here at the Job Center for adults from the community that expose them to all of the building and construction trades here in central Missouri and all the apprenticeship training program opportunities there are. Hopefully at the end of my class, the students have picked one or two of the trades that they like and want to apply to these programs too, and they apply, hopefully get a job and have a career in the building and construction trades. The Job Center is here for the community where people are trying to find a job or looking to improve their skills to find a better job. The Job Center offers all of those opportunities here for them to get those upgraded skills and hopefully find a better job or find a job. The staff here has been really great to me, and I'm sure they're going to be great to anybody that comes in and needs some assistance. So either one, employer or employee needing help, I think it would be a great opportunity for them to come here to the Job Center and get some assistance.